All right, we had enough material to do both of them. So this is one, they're spoons, and these are our knives and forks and other items, large items.
Today we have this non-grip liner. This is great where you put your utensils. It protects the wood as well as non-slip so that you can easily organize everything in the drawer. So we're cutting it so you can get the measurement that we need. It's really easy to just follow the same little line of boxes here.
And you can easily cut them without even scissors too, so that's another option. This is the final product. Came out real nice. We actually stretched it out sideways. And that's it. Let's show you with everything on it. Alright, here's the finished product. You guys can see it. It's not organized 100%, but it's something we have ready to go. This is not our spoon pot. This is the heavy duty stuff that we use a lot. So it's displayed perfect. The cushions in the bottom. Spoon version that we just put in here too. Cushions came out good.